Hello there, this is Sample, and in this video we are going to resize our passport photograph to the required dimension and size. Now, doing this, we are going to use Pens. This is a utility application for Microsoft Windows. So very fast, I go to my picture here. I right click it, open with Pens. Now here I have my picture open already in the Paint application. Just by the corner here we have the dimension 832 by 847 in pixel, and then by the right side we have the size which is a 129.7 KB. So I want to work with the size before even the dimension. So I go to Resize, hit my Resize. Here we have percentage, so I'll go ahead and resize this, reduce the size either to a smaller kilobyte. Let's choose 50, and here you see 50, it immediately enters 50 below too. So let's hit the OK button, and then you can see that here still remains the same size as it was before. So go ahead and hit the save button to effect the changes. Now here we have 38.0 KB as against the initial 120 something or so. Then for the dimension, we'll go back there to resize, then hit the pixel. Now once you hit the pixel, you see the exact size of what we have here display on the pixel here for the horizontal and the vertical. So down here, we'll enter, let's assume we want to use 300 by maybe any other number. Automatically, the computer tries to resize this so it doesn't mess up with the initial or size or dimension of the picture, even when you're reducing it. So here, once you enter 300, it will also automatically calculate a picture that will fit this particular picture. But here, we don't want it this way. We want our own customized picture or sizes. So I'll go down here, hit this button here to remove it from maintain aspect ratio. Then I can now enter my desired or customized size here, and then hit OK. So once I've done this, see that the shape of the picture has been altered, and as well as the dimension down here. So here also we have the size 38.0 KB. So that's how you can change or resize your picture. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.